Well, let's show you the condition and design of this teacup, saucer and side plate. 1928 through to mid-1930s, and a absolutely quintessential English shape of that era, made by Taylor and Kent. There's the T and K L Longton. Always gets people going, this, because it looks like it's been overprinted, but that is a Taylor and Kent Longton May. And the registered number 738622, 1938. Pattern May, also got a pattern reference number 5197, and the Arcadian is the branded range of china that this was produced for, exclusively for Holdrons of Peckham, which was a very historic department store and china retailer. Obviously had sufficient clout to get specific lines, exclusive designs manufactured for them during this era. Lovely shape, classic 1920s, tall bowl, tiny little pedestal foot, but quite a broad pedestal foot. Angel wing handle, a little bit of wear on the gilt on some of these, but overall it's very nice and bright. This plain rim with gilt again. This is basically a grade transfer printed and then hand coloured in black and various shades of pink in a sort of cherry blossom, bit Japanese sort of esque, but very English in its execution really. Round saucer plate with 3 fine branches of that transfer printed and hand coloured design. A few of these have got gilt brush marks and decorators colour brush marks where they've just cleaned off the brush before applying it on the back. And a beautiful period square 6-inch T-plate with these lovely little breaks on each corner. Again, beautifully decorated on the rear. May 5197 Arcadian Holdrons T&K marks with brush marks and decorators handle. Really nice retention of the gilt on these. They're very pretty little pink and white period 1920s, 1930s, quintessential English china teacup trios. I think we've got a couple of cake plates, milk jug and a sugar basin coming through, but the teapot hasn't survived, unfortunately. But beautiful sets nonetheless, and these are available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Follow the link below, it should take you through to that website now. Thanks for watching.